An important part of financial literacy is knowing how to use bank accounts. Keeping your money in an account helps you to see how you're using it and where you might need to make adjustments in spending and saving. You probably already know the two main types of bank accounts, checking and savings, but you might not know how each account is used. Think about these two types of accounts in terms of time. Money in a checking account is for immediate use when you need it. Money in a savings account is for future use. It's money you're keeping and growing so that you can spend it later. Both accounts allow you to make three types of transactions. You can put money in, which is called a deposit, and you can take money out, which is called a withdrawal. You can also move money from one account to another, which is called a transfer. Checking accounts allow transactions in the form of a physical check and by using an ATM or debit card. Always keep track of any transactions you make. If you lose track of your transactions, you might find yourself overdrawn or trying to withdraw more money than what's in your account. Checking accounts are best if you need to set up automated payments or direct deposits from employers. They also allow for easy transfer of funds to other accounts, even if these are in a different bank. Most savings accounts earn interest, which means the money in the account grows at a certain rate over time. Banks call this annual percentage yield, or APY. For more detail on this, check out the video in this series called Time Value of Money. Since the money in a savings account is for future use, it's good to have a purpose or a goal for it. Some people set up savings accounts specifically for emergencies or what's often called a rainy day fund. You might also use a savings account to hold money for a major purchase, a down payment for a car or home. Maybe after you graduate, you plan to take a vacation. A savings account can help you hold and grow money for that purpose. Whenever you open a bank account, the bank will review how the account works. Pay particular attention to any policies or fees associated with the account. For example, most banks will not set up an account without a minimum deposit. Some savings accounts only allow a certain number of withdrawals per month. Also, you can get lots of incentives for setting up an account with a bank online. Lots of people do this, but be careful, especially if you've never set up an account before. Go over any agreements with a mentor or someone you trust. Thanks for watching. Check out the resources at the end of this video and the other videos in this series.